In this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Pay on iOS iPhone. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. It's very important to download the Google Pay app, and to use the app you need a valid Google account, and it is subject to these age restrictions per country, so it depends on your region. Some features may have specific age requirements, and Android devices with Lollipop 5.0 and up can download the app. Alright, but to get started, download and set up the Google Pay app. Now we are using your iPhone or even your iPad. What you need is you must be at least 18 years old. You must have a valid US or Singaporean plus a 65 area code phone number, an iPhone obviously, or iPad with iOS 12.0 or higher. And if you want to learn more how to update your iPhone or iPad, just gonna click this link right here. Now, get the Google Pay app and set it. To use the Google Pay app, you must have a Google account. That's the first thing. And if you have more than one Google account, choose one to use. You can change the Google account link to the Google Pay app at any time. Currently, the Google Pay app doesn't support Google Enterprise accounts, Google Workspace, right, or Android work profiles. Now here, if you want to update your iPhone or iPad, here's what you need to do. Back up your device using your iCloud or your computer. Plug your device into power and connect to the internet with Wi-Fi. Of course, you need to go to Settings, General, then tap Software Update. If you see more than one software update option available, choose the one that you want to install. Of course, you need to tap Install Now. If you see Download and Install instead, tap it down to download the update. Enter your passcode, and then tap Install Now. Alright? And again, after doing so, you can now set up your Google Pay app on your iPhone iOS. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.